Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today, the 11th of April. So we have had a really good retest of this level, which is, let's get my mouse right, is 4080. We had a good retest last week. We had 3 attempts at it last week, almost 4 actually, and then we had another attempt, which was yesterday. But that's pretty much a day of low volumes, and sort of pre-market we fell, and then when the market opened we kind of rebounded from there. I think the ultimate fact here is we are ranging. Look to the left, there is a little bit of structure here, so more structure here. So I think move up, range. If we break through the range to the upside, you should get a continuation move to the upside. Trend is up. Got a bit of a crossover here. Don't have a crossover on the slower moving oscillator, but nevertheless, that is still bullish. And when we look at the 3-hour, you can see pointing up clearly at the moment. And what we're looking for is opportunities to buy. Trend is still up. We are in a range. I'd be a little bit cautious of this area that we're in now. Sorry, I just want to come back to. We do have a higher low. You can see there is definitely a higher low within the range. So pullback should be interesting. Right, we do have a gap in the middle here. Get that gap in. Okay, there is structure that lines up with the gap. Probably just do it like that. See, there was support there, rejection, support, and we got nothing out of it yesterday. So oscillators group to the upside, that would be an interesting area for me. So I'll pop down to the 15-minute because there's probably something a little bit more. Couple of gaps. So let's just get, there's another level right there, which is just on this gap. This gap's the downside, but there's another one further down and another one further down. So there is a possibility that we come all the way back down to 4080. That is a strong possibility as well. But earnings season does kick off this week. I think Friday is pretty much when we start with something decent. So it's either a range or we are looking to move to the upside. So what are we looking for today? I would be interested in 4112, even 4100. You can see 4100, there's a gap down here, so that's structure there for an opportunity to buy, and I'm looking for the top of the range, which is 4123. That is pretty much the only trade that I see today. If we do break above 4123, I'd want to see a pullback onto this area to find support, and I'm just gonna drop it just onto this tail because just save myself some pain. So it's 4122. You can see your oscillators there. You can see the rejection at the moment. So I would strongly suspect either a pullback onto 4112 or 4100 at the moment. So treat this as a range. If we do start bouncing down to the bottom and price action starts indicating we're looking for an opportunity to buy, so we'd be looking for inside bars and engulfing bars, or inside bars. That's another inside bar. There's a pin bar and engulfing bars. Those are the two that we're looking at: inside bar, engulfing bar, pin bar. Off structure on the 15 minutes, more than adequate. That would give me an opportunity to buy into it. Just pay attention to this 4122. If it does give way, move up, triangle forming. There's my triangle. So move up, I'd want a retest of this. Again, price action needs to be inside bar, engulfing bars, or pin bars on 4123 from the upside after a fairly decent move up and a pullback. That would get me long with a stop below the triangle. And that is going to give you a measured move, which is basically the equal to the height of the range, which is that there, which is going to be something along the lines of 4164. And if we just move to the left, that does break the previous high here, but it does line up with structure that we have to the left. You can see there is my next bit of structure, quite a bit at that area at 4164, 4165. Okay, anyway, that's kind of my view today. Definitely looking to go with the trend, and the trend is up, so I don't want to be doing it up here on the 50-minute. Wait for the oscillators to ease off, wait for structure to be tested, 4112, or even deeper down at 4100. But that's kind of the opportunity I see for today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.